Well, there's the crew.
Oh, excuse me. Okay, down. Excuse me. Okay.
That's a 6-man raft. It looks smaller than what I thought. 62? Parang 4 lang ito. 6 lang ito?
Yeah, look. 1, 2, 3,
Me and
4.
my girl. That's Valerie and that's Savannah over there.
Nico.
So, is that fine? Shit, we ain't got no water guns. Okay. Please, everybody, I'm putting. Okay, what are we doing right now?
Okay, hey, dude. I'm going to go park the car inside the park already. And Alex.
So you gotta.
Huh?
Hey, let's
Where's
load
Matt?
up your car with my crap so we can load it over.
Hey, make sure that you get the.
Hey, third. We'll load all your crap up in Diane's van, and
Okay.
Allie's going to park there at the bottom.
All right, and then what about later on? Because we have to take all the vehicles on the other side, right?
Okay, Diane's car's going to be parked in the park, so whatever
Okay.
2 parks you have over here,
You have 3
that's
cars.
the one you guys can use
I
for
know,
shuttle.
but you need to go to the store at Peaceville, dude.
No.
Yes, we gotta go buy some stuff. You need to get some water and all that.
Go right now. It's no problem.
Yeah, so we'll go grab the stuff and load it up in the van.
Yeah. Okay. You guys want to go shuttle the cars and do all that?